Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of timeline on Roblox. So now how to fix or how to solve timeline on Roblox app, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click. Here in this page you'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.